All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Reporting live from Tomorrow Labs, I am Bruce Fraley. I'm going to be interviewing Team 16010, the Cyber Jays. Let's go. I'm here with Manny, and he is the captain and driver of Team 16010.
Co-captain and driver.
Is the co-captain and driver. Do you mind telling me about the design of your bot?
Yeah, so we went with a pretty simple design. We have noodles as our intake. We tried doing some stronger surgical tubing, but had some issues getting it threaded through, so we went with this design. We have this looser surgical tubing with zip ties in the middle with super glue holding it. Then we have that lead into our box, which is on a linear lift that is angled, so whenever we go up, it only hits the top max points that you can get on the team wobbles. We had a bigger wheel, but we realized at our latest meet that we need to cut these down, so that's what we did. And our latest add-on to our robot has been our lights on the bottom, and the way that they are set is for autonomous. I have them set for both the blue and red alliances, but for teleop we realized that just having one color on completely would kind of mess up what alliance we're on, so we have it set so I can set it to blue or red once teleop starts.
Your bot is definitely the fanciest that I've seen.
Thank you. We try to get all the mechanical things done and then worry about like all our aesthetics. And I think you know that's a lie.
I'm here with Finn, and he is a co-captain and driver of Team 16010. Do you mind telling me about the art and design that you have for your robot?
Yeah, absolutely. So, oh wow, this is really stupid. It's all just cardio.
All of it?
All of it.
Like,
Yeah.
guy over there, the numbers, all of that,
The
all of it?
activity, it's all that. It's all cardio. All of it.
Okay.
What is your usual strategy in matches?
First, to start off the first period, which is autonomous, we preload a block, set it so that when we go forward, this just has to go up and then dump the block, and then we normally park, and that's what we usually did for our alliance partner. During teleop matches, we normally would get blocks and try and do the shared hub. We had a little bit of a problem doing shared hubs this meet. But we have a soon to come mechanism that we're going to add on, and you'll have to stay tuned for the next video to find out what we do. Our first two matches though, we would do the alliance wobble goal, which is kind of perfect for our bot because we can just set up to the top part and get the 6 points every time, and it's really consistent. So depending on our alliance partners, the plan just changes every time.
Dope! So your team has been relatively good. You're right now at the 4th position in your league, so how do you want to change your bot in the future in order to get to that number 1 position?
Right, so we don't want to change too much with what works already. We have a solid lift, a good intake. Our wheel is working now. So from now on, we're just going to get better. We're going to add more features instead of fixing the ones that we have. So part of that, we're going to be adding rollers to the sides right here, just to make going up against those walls a little bit smoother. It's a bit clunky right now. The second thing Manny touched on a little bit, we should hopefully be able to get a system that just spits blocks out the back instead of racing all the way up, and that's going to help us out with the shared hub. And that's all we're thinking for the system.
Dope.